Hi, my name is Rochelle, and I am presenting a PowerPoint to show you the differences of a good PowerPoint versus a not so good PowerPoint. When you are presenting a PowerPoint, it is better to have fewer things on a PowerPoint presentation than a PowerPoint presentation slide having so many things on a PowerPoint. So here I've just shown you 3 topics that you can talk about, and then as a presenter I would discuss each one individually instead of writing full sentences telling you the difference between the 3 and having the audience focus more on the PowerPoint than the speaker. On this slide, super crazy busy, showing you a couple of the stress management, exercise, and nutrition. Can't really see everything, so this makes it very difficult and distracting for the audience as for the presenter. Whereas in return, what you could do is individually put one on a screen and talk about the topic. Just like the stress management one, the exercise one, even though it's simple is always better. You can have a conversation about this. People know what you're talking about. And just like this one is the nutrition one, very small and simple in itself. When you're concluding your presentation, it's good to have very simple again and go over the 3 or however many different topics that you're talking about and keeping it into a minimal instead of putting everything on one, just like this one where you have a picture of the stress management, what it is about, exercise, what it's about, and obviously some exercise examples, and the nutrition and what it's about, what all the meanings are on nutrition on the slide. So always when you're presenting, make sure that your slides are always clean, not so much on a slide, so that it is easier for the audience to understand what you are talking about.